Alright, this is one of my favorite ones. It's the sword. It's just so different. That's why I like it. We need to build up a little bit here, 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 and here. So all we need are small balls of fondant. I'm going to start with white. Take a little water, put some here, 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 and like I said, in here. Put 1, 2, 3, and then here we start with the ball, and then I go back and forth just a little bit and make it more elongated like so. Flatten this out just a little bit. Okay, so now I need to roll out my white. And I only need enough for the top part of the sword. Okay, I can cut this part off right here. Flip this over, water on the back. Okay, use this tool. Just do a few lines in here, some coming this way. And then I can use the ball tool again and do 1, 2, 3. That's where those pearls will sit. And also the smaller pearls sit in here. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do this part of the sword. What I've done is I've taken the periwinkle blue that I used for the castle turrets, but I've just lightened it. Just added white and lightened it. So this, all I have to do is roll it out straight. There's an air bubble there. I'm just going to cut around the air bubble. Place this on here. Okay, and I only need the blade section. That didn't get a nice cut there at all. I'm just going to use the pizza cutter to straighten that out. Water on the back. Dry my hands. I'm going to take the blue luster, blue sparkle I should say, it's called blue sparkle, and just dust this part. Also made a couple of lines in here I almost forgot about, just like this. Okay. Now we are ready to pipe. So I've got my royal icing white tip number 3. Okay, and then in between those I just do some little dots. Alright, we'll have to let that part sit, but while we're waiting we can go ahead and paint this. So I've got my gold. Okay, pearls are the last step. I have some larger ones that I'm going to put here, here, and here. And these, you could even paint these with other color, you know, if you want more jewel tones, like a cranberry color or something. You could paint those with a cranberry color luster dust or, you know, whatever to make different colored jewels. And there we go.